What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're in the garage, we're always in the garage, and I thought I'd make a video about the S2000. So if you watched my last video, we bought a spoiler for the car. I picked up an OEM painted spoiler for pretty cheap locally, and I thought it really set up the trunk of the car, the back of the car. And the one thing that really bugged me about the car, you guys don't really see it, but I do. Gotta be careful not to hit my brother's car. As you can see, my OEM mats aren't the best looking. They're really worn out, faded, even to the point where the carpets alone looks really bad. So this whole system's gotta go. It just makes the car look old. I mean, it is a 2001, but I definitely want the car to be and look a lot nicer inside while I'm driving it, and as well as presenting it when I have other people staring at the car, when I'm taking it to car meets and car shows and things like that. Just makes it feel better knowing that I have a cleaner car, and this is the last aspect of it that needs to be changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that I got these brand new floor mats. These are Honda Axis floor mats I bought from, I want to say, the UK over there, overseas. I bought it from Cox. They came in like less than a week's time. They were perfect, no issues whatsoever, and I'm just really stoked to put them in. The quality is unmatched, the fit is perfect, and I'm really happy with the way they look. So let's go ahead and get that installed right now.
I